So I started, like most of the world in 2020, I was like, oh, now's probably a good time to take up some new hobbies and to really devote some time to this. I started kind of learning more about creating repeating patterns, which I hadn't done before, and then started learning about putting my artwork onto products. The day I got a sale from what I call a real rando, like a totally random person, I was kind of like, ooh, now things are getting interesting. I had one sale like that, and then two, and then three, and then four, and so more of those started happening. Then it felt viable. If you're creating something that's giftable, then you could potentially sell it all year. That's kind of my approach to choosing like peak products. I know for my store, I make over 50% of my revenue in the fourth quarter. I want to put as much forward as possible, and that means I'm already writing my emails for November and December. The whole concept of print on demand, it means that I'm not doing the fulfilling, so I have more time to interact with customers. I have more time to create more products. Gelato helps in that way. It does the thing that I signed up for it in the first place. I don't want to be my own warehouse. I don't want to be my own printer. And you guys do a great job at fulfillment. I will say I've never had a customer come back and say my print was damaged or there was something wrong with, the product that arrived, which is really great. I think I just am always telling artists, just keep going. You can do it. It's going to take time. It's the best advice that somebody gave me at some point. And so I'm always trying to pay that forward to other people and encourage them to keep going and keep trying.